How to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. So if you want to fix the Supercell ID verification code not received problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and you need to simply go for the apps. Under apps, you need to go for see all apps. Once you're here on the apps, now you need to scroll down and you need to open up your Gmail. So you'll receive the verification on your Gmail, right? So you just need to go and search for your Gmail. Once you've searched, tap and open up your Gmail and then go for the notifications and make sure that you have turned on all of your notifications of your Gmail. Once you've turned on the notifications, now in the same way, you need to go for your Supercell application and you need to turn on the notifications for your Supercell ID also. Once you've turned it on, now you need to go for permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you have allowed the messages option under your permissions. Once you've allowed, now you need to again go for your settings. Now under settings, you need to go for network and internet. Under network, you need to go for VPN and you need to turn on your VPN and try to fix that issue. So if you've turned on your VPN, simply press on resend verification code and you might receive the verification code. If none of these work, then you have to contact the Supercell support and tell them about your issue. To do that, open up any Supercell game. So for example, I'm going to open up Clash of Clans. Once you open up the game, now you need to go for settings, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on the settings or gear shaped icon and now tap on help and support, which is on bottom left. Once you tap on help and support, you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for account, which is on the first option. Under account, you need to go for the upper right, which has the chat icon. Tap on the chat. Under chat, you need to go for leave a message, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on it, it will automatically take you to the support page where you can simply chat with the Clash of Clans support and you can get some help. So that's how you can fix the Supercell ID verification code not received. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.